Welcome to Eritrea, a country you probably don't hear about often, but one that will surprise you in the best ways. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey through one of the safest, cleanest, and most underrated countries in Africa, if not the world. A place full of history, culture, and some of the kindest people you'll ever meet. Whether you're Eritrean, African, or just curious about this incredible country, this video will open your eyes to the real Eritrea. One of the first things people notice when they visit Eritrea is how safe it feels. Unlike many parts of the world where people are constantly on edge, in Eritrea you'll see children playing in the streets late at night, women walking alone, and neighbors talking to each other without fear. In fact, many visitors are shocked to learn that Eritrea is among the safest countries in Africa. Crime rates are extremely low. Violent crime is rare, and there's a strong sense of community everywhere you go. People look out for each other here. There's no fear, no chaos, just peace. But Eritrea isn't just safe, it's warm. And I'm not just talking about the weather. I'm talking about the people. Eritrean culture is built on respect, hospitality, and humility. If you're a guest, even if you're a stranger, you'll often be welcomed like family. People will invite you in for coffee, offer you food, and treat you with sincere kindness. Not because they expect anything, but because it's part of who they are. The traditional coffee ceremony isn't just about drinking coffee. It's about conversation, community, and connection. Let's talk about something that might surprise you: how clean Eritrea is. Cities like Asmara are spotless, not just because of government rules, but because of pride. Eritreans take care of their surroundings. Streets are swept, trash is managed, and even public spaces are respected. Asmara has been called Africa's Little Rome, and for good reason. The architecture is stunning, and the city is organized and peaceful. Even the lifestyle is healthy. People walk everywhere, eat home-cooked meals, and enjoy a slower, more connected life. Now let's dive into one of Eritrea's greatest treasures, its history. Eritrea's history goes back thousands of years, with ancient cities like Adulis, once a major port in the Aksumite Empire. Then there's the legacy of Italian colonization, which left behind beautiful architecture and a unique blend of cultures. And of course, there's the unforgettable story of independence. Eritrea fought one of the longest and most difficult liberation wars in modern history, 30 years of resistance. But through sacrifice, unity, and unimaginable strength, the people won their freedom. That pride still lives in every corner of the country. You feel it in the music, the language, the food, and the flag. Eritrea isn't just a place, it's a feeling. The traditions, the music, the dance, the ceremony to Toronto, from the US to the Middle East. You'll find communities that never let go of their roots. So the next time someone asks you about Eritrea, tell them this: it's not just a country. It's a story of strength, peace, and dignity. It's a place where history lives, where culture thrives, and where people still value community. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see the real Eritrea. Drop a comment below and let us know, what do you love most about Eritrea? Or, what would you love to learn? This is just the beginning. More videos are coming, from Eritrean traditions to city tours, interviews, and diaspora stories. Subscribe now, and be part of telling Eritrea's story to the world. Thank you for watching. Zina Yihilwokkum, peace and love.